So here's the air filter after a day in the solar, and it has the sabor de Bolivia. So doing here a little bit of post Salt Lake maintenance.
Yeah.
And Julio,
salt and expel it.
Julio is digging deep.
Oh yeah. Well,
You reckon this is some of the deeper digging that you've done on your bike?
well, it's a Ducati, and they make it really hard for you to get to the important places like the air filter.
You need to find the official mechanic.
Yeah, Tony. Yeah, Tony.
Yeah, otherwise the warranty is void or something. No.
I think so.
And I kind of open it just shits and giggles, since just to double check, because pretty easy to clean around the bike. Open up to see the air filter if it sucked in any salt, because it likes sucking mud, but nah, just found a very dirty air filter. But I don't have the degreaser to clean it, so that's the thing with these washable filters. They get dirty very easy, very fast. No salt that got up here under the seat, just here. A little bit here. Hey, I just disconnected a whole lot of shit on a Ducati tank, so it has to come off. Hold on, let me just get this bearing out.
How'd you get that one out?
It was pretty much loose.
There we go. Okay, let me see what's holding on.
Oh yeah, the actual fuel tap.
We turned them off, so you rotate the little
To
tap.
the right?
Yeah, you just rotate till it's closed.
Okay. Oh, I see. Ah, that's cool. Man, I didn't know that. Never been this far.
Tap's closed, right?
Yeah.
On your side.
So I can just pull out the hose?
Yeah, you can try. It helps. They're pretty stuck a lot of times,
Yeah.
so it helps to rotate a bit. Here we go.
Now it should come out easy. All right. Here we go.
Take two.
Take two. Yeah. Look at that.
You want to take it to your side?
take it.
Don't slush it onto you. Oh look, Ducati air filter. It's only over here, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that was easy to get to. Real fast.
Dude, this looks ridiculous.
This it?
I think so.
It sounds like it.
Like I think I've seen an R1 once, and it has the air filter underneath too, I think. God bless modern bikes.
Wait, so what is this?
Oh, you got your screwdriver? Can I
Yeah.
get the black one? Gracias.
Something happened.
We snipped away the zip tie here, got the cable tree off there, and what do we got in here? Could this be it?
Yeah, baby. Here we go.
Hold up, just be careful on me. Did you take this one off? You didn't take this one off, dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dang it.
The fun never ends. But you know what really sucks? What happened last night? Got to the car wash straight away, got to cleaning my bike first. Heaps of cold water onto the headlight assembly. This one cracked here, light burst inside. This one cracked but did not burst. And these are very dear to come by, to come from Boano, Italy. Once I broke this one in the beginning. Found like the last headlight assembly that I could find somewhere secondhand somewhere on eBay. Pulled it out, put it here, and now it's broken again. But I'm gonna glue it, but I gotta pull the light out, which is not fun. It's my custom electrics. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
Whoa, look at that. It actually, in your case, was definitely worth to take it off. I'll take my words back. There you go. Yeah, just get that all off before you pull it. So here's the air filter after a day in the solar, and it has the sabor de Bolivia. Absolutely destroyed. Custom Honda removing stuff. Ducati removing stuff. Feel a bit proud of yourself though that you dug so deep into your girl.
I had to see what was inside of her. Now I never seen her so raw and naked. Kind of sexy.
Love her even more.
Oh yeah.
All the custom stuff that I did here is paying off, because when I was building this in New Zealand, it took me extra time to put everything here together, because I knew, well, I want to put everything in a place that once I open it up one day again, that I can get everywhere and that I can pull the light bulbs out, and it's actually paying off. No lo largas ahora porque ahora está suelto. Yeah. Here we go. So what we're going to do here is we want to try and glue the cracked glass the best we can. But for that, I need to push the glass back up because I don't want to just glue it from one side or it gets really hot. I want to glue it on the edges where I can, but without breaking the glass, that it falls out, which is going to be the challenge. And without making too much of a gluey mess. Se seca tan rápido. So much for not having a gluey mess, but it's better than nothing. Oh, what do I just do? I just pushed the other one out, thinking it was a lot sturdier. Wow, that one is not good either. It was just cracked, but oh shit. That one has to be glued too. I thought this one wasn't going to be as bad, but nah-uh. Don't wreck the place, Fat Tina. You big Italian bitch.
Dude, she's even lost all the weight right now. She's lean right now.
We got another guest here tonight from Colombia. This is Wilmer.
Colombia. What's up? What, my friend? Yeah. Está un poco sucia, pero...
Es parte de la viaje. Good morning, llamas. Tranquilo. Oh, don't spit on me. Don't spit on me. Our Colombian adventurer is also prepping for the Salt Lake. Told him at least put something in front of the radiator. Keep that open and clean. Hey, yo, hold up. Is this unofficial Ducati mechanic here finishing up?
Right here, unofficially, Ducati mechanic. There we go.
Is that it?
It's new.
High five, man. You went down the deep end.
That's it. That's how you do it. All right. Only broke one bolt. Not bad.
Well, we got the bolt. We got the pin for the ECU. Well, you know, there's still 3 others.
That's right.
And we put some duct tape. No, that's about it, right?
That's about it, yeah.
Not too bad. Ok, ¿estás listo, amigo?
Sí.
Wilmar,
Vamos a ver.
vas a salar por la gloria de Colombia.
Sí.
Está listo, protegido, bit of protection. Vaya con Dios. Good luck.
Buena suerte.
Do you know how to swim? Okay.
Vamos a ver qué tal nos va.
Buena suerte, amigo.
Chao. Muy bonita.
Dale. Not a man. Gonna test his limits. He's in for something. Yeah, we sorted out. I lost a whole bolt one on a rainy, muddy day in Mongolia. 8. I threw that one away. Or no, I purposely kept the small ones actually. the Remembrance Day, no? Yeah, for the fallen.
Hola, buenas. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Conseguiste? Sí, lo conseguí. Bueno. Good evening.
This guy's off to Hito Cajon, that direction, going down the route I came from.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pedro Mota.
It's gonna get gnarly, boy.
Yeah. And check mine out in a year.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Remember, folks, 1 year.
Yeah, 2020.
Don't forget it.
I'll start making YouTubes.
2020, awesome represent.
It's been awesome, man. I had a great time, brother.
It was good, man.
It was great. I appreciate it. Everything you did for me.
No worries. It was great company, man.
I hope to see you back in the United States. Come by, give me a call, send me a message. Stay at the Casa de Awesome.
In
Epic place.
I'm set for Texas, folks.
Yeah. We're gonna shoot some guns. Yeah! Pow pow!
I mean, no guns are bad. So how you feeling?
And I'm pumped to get back on the road again. On the road again. Got the roads in and the words again. Everybody, it's been real.
I'll see you, man. See you somewhere out there. Ciao, Tina, you fat bitch. Just a little lonesome boy from Texas on this big fat Tina on the way down south to Chile on the long, gnarly Bolivian roads. And the yank left is Godzilla. But Julio, I'm gonna hang on to Godzilla. Oh no, it's a giant Godzilla. I'll keep care of him. Take care of him. English. Yesterday we rode off to Uyuni to get some things like a light and a degreaser because I wanted to clean the filter. Ended up with just a house degreaser, a typical thing you clean your kitchen and oven with. But it completely exploded during that night ride to the lake in the top case. And of course, everything gets greasy. Also the bag of consumables. It's drying over there, the top case. Everything's dirty, wet. Can add that to the list of things that exploded in a top case or panniers, oil, brake fluid, hot sauce, petrol, such as the charm of traveling like this. But I drained it from the top case into the bucket. Still enough to do the job. Just remember, when working on your motorcycle, only the best tools will do. Because only the official K&N brush for washable filters can do the job. Because as you can see, you also have to clean inside the filter. These brushes are specifically made for that. You see that? That will get them real clean. Can't do that with any other tools, so you really need specialized tools for that. Oh man, joke's on me. Turns out it's the cleaner that I have, but I don't have the oil anymore. I thought this was the oil. Hopefully they have some in Uyuni. Doubt it. What's an alternative? What else can you put in there? Motor oil? Also, when I was in Uyuni, got my hands on a 60-55 watt one, which took a few shops to find. Everybody's selling the 190 watts. Perfect. That's two small ones, that's two big ones, and that's two very big ones. Excellent.